Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back again with another unboxing video today. Today I do have the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. Um, been seeing some reviews on this, not that much. I was trying to see, maybe give it a try. I'm currently using the Elgato Wave XLR with the Shure sm7b. I don't like that setup. I just wanted to give this a try. I was going to use this to go straight into my camera through USB-C. I currently use the Osmo Pocket 3. So the Elgato Wave does do that, but I don't want to have to keep on disconnecting it and connecting it every single time I want to use it. So I said I would pick this up and try that out, see how it works. All right, well, let's go ahead and see what's in the box here. Got this on Amazon for $130. It's just regular. I did have the Focusrite Vocaster 1. I did return that one. Didn't really like that one. Also, with the Scarlett Solo, the preamps in this are pretty good. So I heard the noise on this is really low. I don't know if it's going to be enough to drive the Shure sm7b though, but I do have a cloud lifter also. All right. It says welcome to Studio Sound. Let's see. We have here. It does have a USB-A to USB-C cable. And then we have the Scarlett Solo right here. And do have some books and stuff. That's pretty much it that's in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is the Gen 4. Right. Here it is. So nice matte finish on it. Matte on the back and the front also. On the 3rd gen, it used to be a glossy front and back. Also, they now moved the XLR port to the back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Do have, let's see, USB-C port, 2/4 inch for outputs, Kensington lock, and your XLR port for microphones. Nothing along the sides. And on the front, you do have a 1/4 inch jack for guitars, instruments, anything like that. The number 1 channel right here is the gain for that 1/4 inch. And then the number 2 right here is the gain for the XLR, so for the microphone. Do have the new feature with the air. I'm gonna try that out. There was 2 modes to the air mode. You do have a big output dial. And new for this one, you do have a headphone knob. On the 3rd gen, did not have that. So that's a little upgrade here. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. And like I said, I'm currently using the Wave XLR. This is what you're listening to right now, the Wave XLR with the Shure sm7b. And I might just drop a clip in here of the Scarlett Solo going through the Shure sm7b, see how it sounds. All right, guys. Now this is just a quick little clip of how the Shure sm7b sounds going into the Scarlett Solo Gen 4. This is with no cloud lifter, nothing at all. But the gain on the Scarlett Solo is set to 100. Let me know how it sounds. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching again. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.